Hey there, does your Gmail inbox feel overwhelmed with promotional emails? Let's take control and clear them out in just a few easy steps. Here's how to delete all promotions in Gmail on your PC. Start by logging into your Gmail account on your PC. To do this, open your preferred web browser. Now go to your main inbox view. Once you are in your inbox tab, you'll be seeing primary promotions and social and updates on your screen. Click on the promotions tab to view all of your promotional emails. Once you are in the promotions tab, click the small checkbox at the top left corner of the email list. This selects all the visual emails. If you want to delete all promotional emails, click this icon right here and all of your promotion email will be moved to trash. And that's it. With just a few clicks, your Gmail inbox is now cleaner and more organized. Say goodbye to promotional email clutter and hello to productivity. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video for more tips and tutorials.